English is a weird and wonderful language. Today, I'd like to look at the word better. It's part of a threesome. You've got good, better, best. You use it to compare. For instance, I can't say this is a better cup of coffee without implying that there was one that was not as good or that was just good. This is even better, qualifying. But if I'm talking about health, it gets a little bit more complicated. If somebody knows I wasn't well and asks me how I am, I can say I'm better, but only if I'm recovered. I can't say I'm best ever when it comes to my health, or I can say I'm in the best of health. But if I'm just improved, I can say I'm feeling better than I was yesterday, or I can say I'm improved. It doesn't stand alone without qualification, which is quite annoying, I find. I'd like to know from you, is there a better word in your language for describing feeling improved that stands on its own? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm Fiona Brennan Scott, voice and speech coach, working with people who have English as a first language or an additional language. And remember, even Shakespeare found English frustrating because he made up a lot of words to help improve it. Thank you for your attention.